Holy smokes. Wow. So, that was... I got a house that's been I don't know what's going on. Something was added on this house. That is a disaster. Let me turn the camera around on my phone. So, yeah, some of the stuff you run into, like now, I'm working north of Detroit. I'm working out in Port Huron area, and some of the stuff you run into is just, especially out in the country, it's hodgepodge. I mean, dangerous stuff. I see a lot of dangerous stuff out here. And yeah, this is a new furnace. That's basically all it comes down to. All the return duct was taken off it. I don't even know. The venting was taken off of it. As you can see, the intake was capped with a pop can. So I mean, yeah, this is a new furnace. I don't know what they did with it. People like to wait. It seems like till the last minute. Right now, I think it's like 32 degrees outside. It got down to 31 last night. Little snow. November 1st. But yeah, I'm just going to quote these people on new furnace because that thing is not worth fixing at all. So, that'll do it for this one. This is like the second call of the day. First one was a boiler flush that I was out to last week. But yeah, some of this crap I run into out here, as you can see on some of these videos I post, it's just, I don't know. I don't know what these people do. Alright guys, like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.